basket. 3 wins sa bando. Wins sa bando. Here we go with Joel Malupiton. Passes the ball to Kevin Cambao. Now to Frank Iloca. Basket is good. Amado Lamino. Muntik na maagawan. And that's gonna be a basket by Rabado. Slam dunk. Good. Danny Marilao passes it to Dinuene. Basket is Malupiton. Passes the ball. KQ to Frank Iloca. Gets basket now. Kiefer Ravenna holds the ball. Rabado. Basket is good. Dinuene to Danny Marilao. Danny Marilao, no good. Another 3-point attempt. Basket is good. 3. No good on the attempt by Danny Marilao. Simon Penafiel gets the ball on the rebound. Sid Castillo, 3. No good there. Kiefer Ravenna to Frank Iloca. Basket is good. May kasama pang foul. Kevin Cambao attempting a 3. Basket is good. Kevin Cambao. Ito na si Kiefer Ravenna. Basket is good for by Kevin Cambao. Kiefer Ravenna, 3 points. Kevin Cambao. Basket is good. 3. And there we go. 77. Felix Villarente. Lastimosa. Now to KQ. Basket 3. Basket is good. 3. Now back to Felix Villarente to Danny Marilao. Danny Marilao. Basket is nice save there by Kiefer, pero nakuha ni Dinuene. Nice layup, Dinuene. Ito, no good on the attempt by Fajarito. Basket is good. Number 7. Lastimosa passes the ball to Kevin Cambao. Basket 3. Kevin Cambao. Sid Castillo 3. Basket's good. And there goes Amado Lamino for another. Kevin Cambao with the rebound. And here we go, number 42. Fajarito, basket is good. 3. Then now Fajarito. 3. Boy, Simon Penafiel to Tarukan, and now here we go with number 13 to Amado Lamino. Basket is good. Frank Iloca intercepted the pass. Nazaria 3. Okay, now we're gonna go to malupiton. Aray ko, bossing. Driving down, passing the ball, and Dinuene. Pass the ball to Danny Marilao. Danny Marilao, good pa din. Rebound ni Danny Marilao to Amado Lamino. Back to Sid Castillo. Basket is good. And there goes Bamboy Raimundo with a 3. And number 0, Danny Marilao. And then Danny Marilao again. Uy, gets blocked by Frank Eloca. And then fast break to Bamboy Raimundo. Basket is Simon Penafiel. 3 points. And now you have Kiefer Ravena, 3. Alright. No good on the attempt by Dinuene. Gets rebounded by Hamado Lamino. Now Felix Villarete gets the 2 point. Pop Bamboy Raimundo attempts the 3. Basket. Number 6 rebound. Basket is good. 3 point. It's a bundle with the jam. Basket is good by Felix. DBL Season 6. Hashtag bakbaka na. And we have number 15 with the ball. Kiefer Ravena, basket. 3. Starting off the third quarter. Kiefer Ravena. And that's Renza Bando. No good on the attempt by Simon Penafiel for the 3 points. Kevin Cambao, basket 3 to Dinuene. Dinuene now attempting a 2. Basket is good by Dinuene. Kevin Cambao attempts a 3. Basket is good, 3. Back to Bamboy Raimundo. Bamboy Raimundo, 3. Frank Eloca for 2 points. Basket is good by Danny. Ball is clear. Moving on. Dinuene, 2 points. And now Kiefer Ravena passes the ball. Bam Lopez. Here comes Kiefer Ravena. Passes to Arabando, back to Kiefer. Kiefer attempts a 3. Basket is good. 3 points. Kiefer Ravena. Attempt. Aba ulit tayo ngayon with Dinuene. Basket is good. Sid Castillo. 3 points, Sid Castillo. That now to Sid Castillo. Nabangga. And now Kevin Cambao passes the ball. Renza Bando attempting a 3, no good. Frank Eloca for the putback. Kevin Cambao! Oras. Yan. Back. Basket is good. There we go. And that's going to be a foul. Basket is good. And now Dinuene. Malyari now with the ball. Pinasa ni Malyari. 2 for 2 for Keith. Basket is good. Keith for Ravenna. That's gonna be a foul. Basket is good. 2 for 2 for keeper Ravenna. And now Kevin Campbell. 3! First free throw is good by Kiefer Ravenna. Tingnan natin kung shoot niya yung pangalawa. Eto na. 2 for 2 by Kiefer Ravenna. Danny Manila with the ball. To Dino Ene. 3! And that's gonna be a foul on Dino Ene. Free throws for Kevin Campbell. And 2 for 2 for Kevin Campbell. And now Malyari with the rebound, and looks like it's gonna be the end of the ball game.